Want to make your house feel more updated this weekend without starting a renovation project? Here are 5 small changes that make a surprisingly big impact. First, lighting. And honestly, this is the big one. So many people think their house needs more light, so they swap everything to bright white LED bulbs. But what most homes actually need is warmer light. Soft, warm lighting makes a home feel calmer, richer, and more inviting almost instantly. It's the difference between luxury hotel and office break room. Second, larger lamps. Most people go too small. A good lamp should feel substantial enough for the room, not like an afterthought sitting in the corner. And larger shades create a softer, more flattering glow throughout the space. Third, pull your furniture slightly off the walls. Even a few inches creates depth and makes the room feel more intentional. Fourth, hang curtains higher and wider than the actual window. It visually stretches the room and makes the ceilings feel taller immediately. And finally, clear your surfaces. Not sterile, just edited. When every countertop is holding mail, chargers, and life clutter, your brain never fully relaxes in the space. Most homes don't actually need a full overhaul. They just need a few thoughtful shifts that change how the home feels day to day.